Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the very beautiful Christmas hymn, Beautiful Star of Bethlehem. Very easy to play. In my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs that you can print that out and follow along with me as we learn this song together. So let's get started. Oh, beautiful star of Bethlehem, shine upon us until the glory dawns, and give us the light to light the way unto the place where Jesus lay. Beautiful Star of Bethlehem, shine on. Okay, the chords used to play this song are D major, G major, A major, A7, and B minor. Okay, just a quick review on how to play each of these chords. To play D major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on string number 1 of the 2nd fret, then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. It's D major. Okay, next is G major. To play this chord, you place finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the very top E string of the 3rd fret, and then finger number 4, your little finger, place that on string number 1 of the 3rd fret, strum all strings. G major. Okay, and then A major. I use the bar chord, but you want to place finger number 1 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on string number 2 of the 2nd fret, and then strum all strings but this top E string. This is A major. Or what I do is just try to use my middle finger, finger number 2, to bridge across these strings and kind of bend my finger so string number 1 will ring out. You want to strum that string open. But A major, you can play that whichever way you feel comfortable. Okay, then A7. Okay, to play this chord, you place finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret, and then strum all strings but this top E string. This is A7. Okay, and also we have E7. I forgot to mention that earlier. If you know the E major chord, you just make the E major chord and then just simply lift off of this 3rd finger here. This is E7. So to play E7, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 1st fret. Okay, and then you want to skip a string and place finger number 2 on the 5th string of the 2nd fret, and then strum all strings. This is E7, E7, okay? And then lastly, you want to play B minor. If you know A minor, here, just go up 1 fret, 2 frets, and take that same shape with these fingers, okay? And then you want to bar across fret number 2, okay? Strum all strings. Or an alternative way to play B minor is place finger number 1 on string number 1 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on string number 2 of the 3rd fret, and then finger number 3 on string number 3 of the 4th fret, and then strum the bottom 3 strings. This is B minor, so you can use the bar chord, or you can just keep those fingers planted there instead of barring with your finger number 1, just place it on string number 1. Okay, we'll look at the strumming pattern. The time signature for this is 12/8 time. I know most songs are played in 4/4 time, 4 beats per measure. Some are 3/4 time, 3 beats per measure. Well, this is 12/8 times. Okay, so basically it's 12 beats per measure. It's 12/8 notes per measure. So this might be a little bit difficult to strum, at first, but it's probably easier to just use kind of downstrokes and just kind of emphasize beat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In this fashion there. So let's look at the chord progression for the first verse. Okay, it's "Oh beautiful Star of Bethlehem, shining afar through shadow dim, giving the light for those who long have gone." Then we have A7. "And guiding the wise men on their way unto the place where Jesus lay. Beautiful Star of Bethlehem, shine on." So you may notice my strumming, I'm just using down strums. Okay? All right? So let's look at that verse again, okay? "Oh beautiful Star of Bethlehem, shining afar through shadows dim, giving the light for those who long have gone, and guiding the wise men on their way unto the place where Jesus lay. Beautiful Star of Bethlehem, shine on." Okay, if you look at that last line, "Beautiful Star of Bethlehem." So when you sing ham, it's B minor. Shine is A7 on D major, and then G, D, okay? "Beautiful Star of Bethlehem, shine on." Okay, so let's look at the chord progression now for the chorus. It's basically the same thing, but we got the E7s in there, okay? "Oh beautiful Star of Bethlehem, shine upon us until the glory dawn." Okay, notice that? Let's do that line one more time. "Shine upon us until the glory dawns." Okay, so it's going from E7, A major, E7, back to A major again, okay? Let's continue on. "And give us the light to light the way unto the place where Jesus lay. Beautiful Star of Bethlehem, shine on." Okay, that last line is just same as the last line of the verse, okay? All right. Okay, of course this song has 2, 3 more additional verses. You just play those all the same. So let's go back and revisit the first verse again. Let's play the first verse and the chorus one more time, okay? "Oh beautiful Star of Bethlehem, shining afar through shadows dim, giving the light for those who long have gone, and guiding the wise men on their way unto the place where Jesus lay. Beautiful Star of Bethlehem, shine on." Now the chorus. O beautiful Star of Bethlehem, shine upon us until the glory dawns, and give us the light to light the way unto the place where Jesus lay. Beautiful Star of Bethlehem, shine on. Okay, if you enjoyed this lesson or would like to see more lessons like this, be sure and hit the thumbs up button. I'd appreciate that very much. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found. Hopefully you enjoyed this lesson today. So have a great day. God bless you.